Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. In this episode, the host will discuss Technovigilance in Mexico, the mandatory system for post-market surveillance of medical devices. Navigating the regulatory landscape in Mexico requires a deep understanding of the requirements set by the Federal Commission for Protection Against Health Risks, or COFEPRIS. The key regulation governing these activities is the official Mexican standard NOM-240 SSA-1, 2012. This standard establishes the framework for technovigilance, which is essential for maintaining your product's sanitary registration. The core purpose is to ensure devices remain safe and effective throughout their entire life cycle. Under NOM-240, the Sanitary Registration Holder is legally responsible for implementing and operating a technovigilance system. For manufacturers based outside of Mexico, this responsibility falls to their designated Mexico Registration Holder, or MRH. This entity must establish a formal technovigilance unit, which is responsible for collecting, analyzing, and documenting all post-market data. This includes actively monitoring device performance, maintaining robust complaint handling procedures, and conducting thorough risk analysis of any identified issues. A critical component of technovigilance is the mandatory reporting of adverse incidents to the National Center for Pharmacovigilance, a division of COFEPRIS. The reporting timelines are strict and depend on the severity of the event. For any incident that involves a death or serious deterioration of a patient's health, the initial notification must be submitted no later than 10 calendar days after the event is confirmed. For other non-serious but reportable incidents, the deadline is 30 calendar days. These reports must be followed by comprehensive investigations to determine root causes and implement necessary corrective and preventive actions. Furthermore, these ongoing technovigilance activities are not just a background process. They are a prerequisite for renewing your device registration. Every 5 years, a detailed technovigilance report summarizing all post-market activities and incidents must be submitted to COFEPRIS as part of the renewal application. Failure to comply can result in the loss of market access. It is also vital to be aware of upcoming changes. In July 2024, a draft of a new standard, Pro-IY NOM-240 SSA-1 2024, was published. While not yet final, it signals significant updates, including expanding the scope to explicitly include software as a medical device, SAMD, broadening reporting obligations to cover issues like theft and falsification, and introducing new mandatory reporting requirements for distributors. If you need help navigating Mexico's regulatory landscape or any other aspect of global market access, please check out Pure Global. In the description, you will find links to our free AI tools and database. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.